Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I've got a new design team package to share with you from Country Craft Creations. So all you soon-to-be grandmas, nanas, mimis, expectant moms, come take a look, especially if it's a girl, at this collection I'm about to share with you and start a new project on, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have here the new Echo Park Baby on Board It's a Girl paper collection. I do know that Michelle Allen has the Baby on Board It's a Boy by Echo Park collection. So you're going to get the opportunity to see two different baby albums made with these collections. And of course you can use these collections if you like her album better and want it for a girl or vice versa. So that's what's going to be a lot of fun. You'll have two versions of making something with these baby collections. And so I'm going to go ahead and go through and show you what I got in my design team package kit. First of all, I'm going to start off with the everything that I've opened up and already put in my tray ready to get started on. So I got 2 yards of the seam binding in pink, of course, which is perfect. It may show up more as white, but it's a very pale pink. And then I got 2 yards of the blue along with natural jute. I do love jute for tags and small bows. And then I got these granny buttons, these Country Craft Creations granny buttons. They're a real pale yellow. Now on the description on the website, the color is going to say porcelain beige, but they are a very pale looking yellow to me, more of a yellow tone. So those are going to be great for this project. I got two different packages of elements. I got the ephemera pack, which is 33 die cut pieces. I've already took them out of the package so that I could just kind of like show them to you. Let me pull one of these solid sheets out and I can lay it out, some of it out for you. Of course you've got some tags and different labels that make this so much fun to work on these albums with. Some little small things. Hello, I'm new, our baby. Super, super cute. I love how the yellow is brought in. Here's the A of a banner. I'm sure that's going to say baby once we get it all out. Every day I love you more. Girl mama. Little cutie. It's a girl banner. I'm just going to keep kind of spreading these out for you, so you can kind of see up a little closer than by just looking at a package. Sweet dreams. There's the bee. My little cutie. So we have different sizes here, which is great to make this. There's your Y. There's the other B. B-A-B-Y. Isn't that cute? It's a girl, adorable little banner there that will make our new arrival. This is cute. It's got a little frame with a little cat in it. Of course, I would like that, right? Our little one, baby mine, born to be loved, and a new little baby girl brings a world of delight. Congratulations. And then we have this good size one here. So that's all the ones that come in what's labeled as the ephemera pack, if you're interested in checking that out on the Country Craft Creations store website. So I also got the package of frames and tags. So there's 33 die cut pieces in that, labeled frames and tags. So those are going to be a little bit different. So let's take a look at these. Sweet dreams, snuggles, congrats, the baby bottle. So you just kind of, if you only can get one pack, then you just look at the ones that you see images you think you like the best. Baby girl, and go with that. Or if you can splurge and get both, then you'll have lots of variety. This pack here does have a couple of more tags than the other one did, so we'll save that. And looks like more frames. There's a frame there. This is a frame. This one's a little frame tag. Oops. Turn these over so you can see them. And that's a little frame. So you do get more frames in this one and a few more tags than what the other one had. Both are super cute. I think everything is different in each one, so you don't have to worry about duplicating if you get that. You don't get the banner. The banner's in the other pack, and this one doesn't have a banner, so there's another tag, a frame. So those are your frames and tags. Okay, so other things that I got in my package that you might be interested in to combine in this I think will make really great matting for this. And it is the Craft Perfect Blue Frost Pearlescent cardstock. And in this package you get 5 sheets of the 8.5 by 11. So this is really, it's kind of a, it says Blue Frost, but to me it looks kind of like a mint green, which kind of goes really well with these other mint colors in this collection. So I'll be working with that. Of course, I got the sticker sheet, so lots of adorable images here of the little teddy bears, the little panda, our baby girl, the cat in the cradle, just lots of cute little shoes and little outfits and some flowers. So super cute stickers on this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then of course the paper. So I got 2 each of each pattern that comes in this collection design. As a designer, I do get the single sheets versus the collection pack, so I get 2 of each print. So this one here is called You Are Loved Pins, little diaper pins, and a gorgeous yellow check there on the back side. This one is called Tiny Baby Flowers. So we've got the navy blue background with the flowers, and then this gorgeous plaid here that goes with that. Sweet Baby Blossoms. Love the pink colors of blues and yellows and that mint green color and this kind of coral pink stripe. Of course, with Echo Park you get your journaling cards. So this is your multi-journaling cards. So you get a couple of border strips. This could be a card, a 3x4, or little border strips. So we have the 3x4s, the 4x4, 4x6. Super, super cute. The back side of that is the little rainbow and the stars in the background. Here we have It's a Girl Outfits. So look how cute these little onesies are. Aren't they cute? The little bibs, little tiny bibs there. And then the background is this mint green with kind of a little starburst there. It's a Girl Essentials. So we have the booties, the teething ring, the little rubber ducky, the pull toys, pacifier, diaper pins. Super, super cute. And then on this one, we have the darker hearts on the light pink. This one is called Goodnight Mobiles. So there you have all the little crib mobiles to hang over the crib, the little moon and stars, little cat, bunny, and teddy bear on there. Super cute. And then this really adorable pink plaid. Next we have cute ABC blocks. So there's your little blocks on a pink background with stars. All your ABC blocks. And then this pattern is a real pretty blue with stars. Baby Girl Nursery. So there's a little shelf with the different items on it. Little panda bear, the teddy bear, onesies on the hanger, the little jumper on the hanger. So all the nursery looking items there, little banners hanging on there. And then we have this really great coral color with the dots. I love that. That's really pretty. I'm going to have a hard time deciding what to put on the cover. This one is the baby girl journaling cards. So we have the 2x2s up here, and then we have the 4x6. So this is a really nice one. It has a place for the date, time, weight, and all that. And on the back side we have all these little characters, a little cat and dog, teddy bear, rabbit, pony, no, unicorn, sorry, I didn't see his little horn there, unicorn, all super cute. The little panda bear, love that, that's really cute. Then this one is the 4x4 journaling cards. So this one's really cute, makes great tuck spots on a page. And then I have this white, kind of white color with the different colored pastel dots. And lastly, on the printed papers, we have the 3x4 journaling cards. Love the 3x4s. Super cute. And then the baby buggy with the little characters in the baby buggies on the back side. And then I also got the matching solids. So I got 2 of each color. This one here is the dark pink and mint. It's kind of a coral pink and the mint color. This one is the yellow and pink, so it's a lighter, still more of a coral pink color. This one is navy and light pink. Oops, got it flipped around wrong. There's the navy color and the light pink. And of course I also got 2 heavyweight or medium weight chipboards for my album cover. And that is my design team package that I just received from Country Craft Creations. I can't wait to start designing an album. It will definitely be an album. I'm not sure what size just yet. I've got to start planning the pages and get all that figured out, what I want to do for that. So do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. When you do, click the bell so you'll be notified when my projects and my tutorials and videos are uploaded. Leave me a comment down below if there's a certain size album you think would be great for a baby album that you've been looking for maybe. Let me know something about that, and give me a thumbs up. And as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com for your crafting supplies. I will link all these products down below using my affiliate link so that I can earn some commission if you decide to purchase this collection based on this video. Doesn't cost you anything, but it gives me a little bit of extra money to purchase my cardstock that I need to make my albums and my adhesives. So anyway, check back with me, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye bye.